Hey my loves, today's review is gonna be on TS Herbal's food care product. There are three products: food soak, food scrub, and also the food moisturizer. So for the first one is food soak. So these products are completely natural and they are also handmade. So they have given details on how to use and also the ingredient and also the price of it. So it contains Himalayan pink salt and also the orange and peppermint. So now I'm gonna take 1 spoon of it and put it in a tub of warm water, and I'm gonna soak my leg for 10 to 15 minutes. The next most important step after foot soak is foot scrubbing. Foot soak helps to remove all the impurities and it also cleanses the skin. Now, scrubbing will remove all the dead cells and it also provides great exfoliation. So, it is also enriched with almond oil, olive oil, coconut, lavender, and also sugar. Consistency of it looks exactly like same in the video. It is non-sticky. Take enough amount of it and rub it in a circular motion all over your feet. The foot scrub does not contain any hard granules, so you can scrub it gently all around your feet. It made my skin so soft. The foot moisturizer packaging does not contain any ingredient list, so I'm not sure of it. This 15-minute foot spa healed all the cracks in my leg and it lasted for a week.